his presence on social media. They think that he's overreacting to issues. And is it because, I don't know about Nigeria, is it because he's an Igbo person and they don't like, we've seen presidency go to the west and to the north. But is it because Peter Obi is an Igbo man now and, he has a lot of fans? Is that why Nigerians are, reacting to whatever he does?
You see, first things first, I don't believe in turn-by-turn politics. I believe in competence, character, capacity, and commitment. So I believe in somebody that have the ability to do something. But ordinarily, if Nigeria were to be a very good nation, where there's justice, equity, and fairness, ordinarily, common sense, the presidency should have gone to the east. You understand? Should have gone to the east. A Yoruba man, Olusegun Obasanjo, did 8 years as a president from Abeokuta. He's an Owu man, but he's an Egba man like me, you understand, from Ogun State. Then Yaradua, a Fulani man, became president from the north. Then for the death of Yaradua, and like I've always said, Yaradua remains my best president. That's my opinion. Now, then he went to Niger Delta, which is Goodluck Ebele, Azikiwe Jonathan. Then Jonathan did the remaining years of the presidency. Now, president now went back again with voting back to the north. Again, Buhari, a Fulani man. So ordinarily, if there is justice, equity, and fairness in Nigeria, the president should have now gone to the east, to the Igbo people. I've always given an example. Nigeria is like a keke napep. Maybe people don't understand what I mean. When I say tripod, some people, in layman, they don't understand tripod. Nigeria is like a keke napep. This keke that is going, it has 3 tires. If you deliberately remove one of that tire, because maybe you hate the tire, that keke will not move. You understand? So ordinarily, the Igbo people should have been... See, somebody said our presidency is not given. It is fought for. All those things are lies. I have come out to debunk these lies. Presidency can be given. We saw how in 1999, the people of Nigeria made sure that Olusegun Obasanjo of the PDP and Olufai of the AD, the APP joined him. Only the both of them contested to be president in Nigeria. Because Nigerians, they agreed, for example, that the president should go to the southwest in compensation for the death of Chief MKO Abiola. That was from Ogun State. It's an Obama like me too. So also, Nigeria can find, okay, in 2007, Obasanjo made sure that again, presidency went to the east, to the north, by the main presidential candidates were from the north, Yaradua of the PDP and Muhammadu Buhari of the then it was APP from AMPP. Understand? That means there's a way they can do it. That president should go to the east. Understand? We speak these things. There's rumors and counter rumors and everything. And like I've always been saying, I'm a full Yoruba person. I'm a Yoruba person, full-blooded. No apologies. They know. No apologies. I'm not some people they say mixed blood. No mixed. Nobody in my family ever married somebody from outside our tribe. So, as in clear Yoruba lineage. Clear. I am very clear. You understand? I chose an Igbo person to become my friend. Because when it comes to business, he has that brain to do it. So, legitimate business. So, when we speak, say, obedience, no. Obedience is not an Igbo movement. Obedience is not a Edo movement. Obedience is a Nigerian movement for the good and betterment of the country. I'm the spokesman of the obedience in this vicinity. Do I look like an Igbo person? Look at my face very well. I have tribal marks. And it shows I'm a full Yoruba person. Blooded. Full-blooded. No apologies. Omo Yoruba Kombele in my language. Omo Yoruba Kombele. Omo Luabi Yoruba. So what I'm saying is it's very, very simple. You cannot start attacking the obedience. You are the most educated in Nigeria. You are the most informed. You are the most intellectual. When it comes to wisdom, nobody comes close to us. When it comes to intellect, you are clear. When it comes to legitimate source of money, we are clear. But I already spoke about when we start enterprise. With the obedience, we have this word to enterprise mentality. We believe in making money legitimately. So what are you saying? So you can't come out to be attacking us. Obedience is like a mountain. If an egg tries to eat a mountain, the egg will break. Obedience is like a moving train. We are moving on our own. If you come in front of us, you will get crushed. So we own the social media, we own the space. Don't come, don't look for our trouble. Obidient naturally, we don't look for anybody's trouble. We go our own way. It is them that always come to look for our trouble. Understand? And you look for our trouble. It's like I said, if you throw the Obedience a lemon, we make it a lemonade. Understand? You attack us, you insult us, you vilify us. We are where we are today. We are still standing. Nigeria has never had it good that there be a large constituency of citizens that love the nation. Obedience are large in numbers that love this nation, that want this nation to work. You are doing it for free. You understand? We the Obedience, what you are doing is for free. We don't expect 1 naira from anybody. 1 naira, we don't expect from anybody. Nobody is giving any Obedience 1 naira. Even naturally, Obedience does not give shishi. Like I said, when somebody came to meet me that, oh, really want, I say, they said I be the spokesman of the Obedience. I say yes. I am the spokesman of the Obedience in this vicinity. I want to join the Obedience. And I told him very simple. The first criteria is that you must have something that you are doing. If you are working, then if somebody gives you penny, 5,000 to go and do nonsense, you say no. I am working, 10,000, 20,000, you say no. But if you are not working, you cannot join the Obedience because you'll be frustrated. Obedience does not give shishi. So if you are joining us, you must have something that you are doing. I told them, number 2, you must eschew tribalism. You must think outside the box. You must not be a tribal person or a religious or a religious fanatic. You understand what I'm saying? So these are the criteria. Many that for you to join the Obedient movement, you must have it. They insult us, they vilify us. Then if we saw them back, they start crying. You understand? I've never seen people like this. They always make themselves the victims. You look for trouble. When we reply, you start crying. Then leave us alone. Don't look for our trouble. We are peaceful people. We are educated people. Leave the Obedience alone. We are not the problem. Why? We are not the reason why the country is like this. Go and face your problem. Leave the Obedience alone. It's as simple as that. Leave the Obedience alone. As I said, I cannot be alive. As somebody will be Peter Obi. I can't be alive. I will tell you facts. So that is it. We chose him because we love him, not because he's giving us 1 naira. No, we love Peter Obi. Now we chose him. Then you are now coming to vilify us. You don't love your leader. You only love your leader because he's giving you something. But we love Peter Obi naturally. This morning I spoke about the apocalypse of zombies in Nigeria. It has never happened before. Where you have large number of people that are educated, but they are still zombies. How can 20 human beings share the same message from a WhatsApp group and post it on Twitter? I've never seen it before. 20 human beings, so-called educated human beings, so-called influencers, they will share the same message on Twitter. 20 human beings. But look at the Obedience. If, for example, you want to say something, let me start from, for example, Salako, Onkwayo, to Ari Chidi Tweets, Aisha Yusufu, Nefertiti First Ladyship, Miss Pearls, Spotlight Abbey, Saddam. These are, we have many Obedience like that. Many that can start mentioning their name. Many Obedience. When we want to do something, everybody can think for themselves. What we do is that we can be saying the same thing, but what we are going to write is different because we are thinking for ourselves and we are not being paid. We are not being sponsored. But they are being sponsored. The same WhatsApp message, 20 zombies, 20 human beings. Nobody come close to the Obedience. In anything, we are clear, way and shoulders above them. And they know it. Every time they try to insult us. Insult is not the problem. Come with the facts. Not insult. If I come here now, I break the tables. I don't shake tables, I break tables. Oh, you insult me. Oh, you don't leave me alone. And insult the people. And insult and face the topic. You understand? Go to journalism. They insult David Undeyin. They insult Fisao Soyombo. They insult Pidom Nigeria. Don't insult them. Face what they are saying. Is it true or not? Come to broadcast media. The radio or the television station. Every day they insult Rufai Hosseini. The man is a journalist. They insult him. Leave him alone. Face what he's saying. No, they insult him. Every time they insult him. Somebody is giving you facts, you insult him. The most funniest one is the one on Daily Digest. Uncle Jimmy. It is Daily Today. from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. on 99.3 Nigeria Info, Uncle Jimmy. Now on YouTube, before the man start talking, no, they have been insulting him. How can you come to listen to somebody? You've not even heard what he's going to say. He start insulting the man. You see people that are being paid. They insult that man from beginning of the show to the end, from 7:30 to 8 a.m. This man, as a Yoruba man, is an elderly man. I call him Uncle Jimmy. That person. Stop insulting him. What he's saying? Is it the truth? The man spoke about something that I like very much. Your father built a house. You sold the house. You now come out to that area and say, I am Omonile. Which Ile? You have sold the house. You sell house to somebody. You say that person is a stranger. You sold house to somebody now. Is a stranger. Which stranger? You sold the house. So the man come out every morning with fact. They insult him. And I always tell them, if you're not comfortable with somebody, stop listening to him. Is it by force? For example, on Twitter, there are people that I don't follow, and I can never follow them. I cannot be following you. I've been insulting you. If you don't like them, don't follow them. You follow them, you insult them. So there's a high level of zombie apocalypse that's happening that I never felt or I never thought it is ever going to happen. And it's a very sad development for education in this part of the world. And like I'm saying, I don't know if I don't know can say what's happening today. The man will be spitting in his grave. Look at the people that I give education. Look at them. Look at how they are thinking. That's what I'm saying. So obedience can never be silenced. Obedience can never be silenced. We want to speak the truth. We want to speak to consult constructively. But we have something to offer. We have something in our head. Like I've been saying, the greatest resources anybody can have is resources that you have in your head. That means your brain. There's natural resources in Nigeria. There's everything. How have that made Nigeria a developed country? But the question is, what does Switzerland have? But the leaders, they have something in their head. So what is in your brain is your greatest natural resources, not what is in the ground. So like I said, leave the obedience alone. We don't look for trouble. Let face the person that you voted for. And face the government. Whether you're enjoying, that's none of my business. Face the government. Peter Obi is not the reason why there's hardship. Peter Obi is not the reason why there's poverty. Like I always said, if anybody says Peter Obi cannot be president of Nigeria, very simple answer. Go and warm your eba and chop.
Just 10 million.
Go and warm your eba and chop. Peter Obi is not the problem.